So this is part 2. That was fun. We have found that there are 30 learners in Anthony Outla's mentoring group. But suppose we wanted to find a particular person. We know their name. Let us say we remember their first name, but we don't remember anything else about them. So first I'm going to clear these filters so that we have a clear list. And now I'm going to look for a keyword. Now, before we were looking at roles like teaching assistant or learner, we also looked at groups. Groups can be a local study group or it could be a mentoring group. But now we're going to look by keyword. A keyword can be a person's name. So let us say that you remember this person's name is Carol. You're going to apply filters here and see if you can come up with anybody whose name is Carol. Here we go. 2 participants were found. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so we've got a Carolyn, and this tool will find partial names as well. So for instance, if you typed Paul and there was Pauline, you would find Pauline as well as Paul. So here we have Carolyn and Carol, and you say, okay, this is the person I want. She's a teaching assistant. I didn't remember her last name. And now if you want to get in touch with Carol, you can click on Carol's picture and name here. You can find Carol's email address, and you can also message Carol using the messaging feature here. So that is the way that you can find a person by name. Let us clear the filters again because I want to show you another way you could have found Carol. Perhaps you remembered her name, but it's a long list and she's not in the top section of the list. So let's say you remembered her name was Carol and you remembered her last name was Mansour. So this is a quick way to find people with different names. You click on the letter of their first name and the letter of their last name. And here, okay. I'm seeing 2 participants and I'm not sure why none of them is Carol. Let us try again. No, I think I may have an idea why that is happening. Ah, there she is. Somehow when we clicked it at first, I don't know what happened. But if in doubt, try again. And there we go. So we have 3 people with the first name beginning with C and the last name beginning with M. And you can find Carol is among it. It's not too hard to find a person by their first and last initials. It's usually just a few people in that situation. Thank you for watching.